or this part of the Himalayas comprises the Patkai Hills, or the Purvanchal comprises the Patkai Hills, the Naga Hills, the Manipur Hills, and the Mizo Hills. In math question, students, this question is generally asked that where are Patkai Hills, the Naga Hills, the Manipur Hills, and the Mizo Hills. To remember it, note it in your mind that these all hills are located in the Purvanchal part of the Himalayas, in bending part of the Himalayas from the Dhiang Gorge. Okay? Now, we discuss about the formation of the northern plains. Northern plain is formed by the interplay of the major three river systems, namely the Indus, the Ganga, and the Brahmaputra. It means northern plains is covered with alluvial soil carrying by these three river systems. The deposition of the alluvium at the foothills from millions of years has helped this plain covered with alluvial soil. It is very fertile plain and spreads over an area of 7 lakh square kilometers. Students, generally an independent question is asked that what is the total area of the northern plains? To remember it, that total geographical area of the northern plain is 7 lakh square kilometers. Okay? Now we know about its length. So its total length is about 2,400 kilometers. In length of Himalayas also we found when we were discussing the 2,400 kilometers. Similarly, the length of the northern plain is also 2,400 kilometers. Its width varies from 200 kilometers to 320 kilometers. It means width of the northern plain varies from one region to another region. Somewhere its width is 240 kilometers, somewhere its width is about 320 kilometers. It is densely populated. Now you can ask that why is northern plain is densely populated? First of all, northern plain is covered with rich fertile alluvial soil. Northern plain has adequate water supply from the rivers coming from the Himalayas or flowing from the Himalayas, and favorable climatic conditions. These all together make this plain agriculturally productive part of India and favorable for other economic activities also. They all together make this plain agriculturally productive and favorable for other economic activities. Okay. Now, as Himalayas has been divided into different regions, similarly, the northern plain is also divided in three sections. They are the Punjab plains, which is drained with Indus, Satluj and their tributaries. Second, the Ganga plain, which is drained with the river Ganga and its tributaries. Similarly, the Assam plains, which is mainly drained with the Brahmaputra river. Dear students, in details about the division of the northern plains, we will discuss in next class. Okay? Thank you.